All right, so this is an Apache, I don't know, 2600 maybe. I don't know what their numbers mean, but I use this for my Spexy kit. Keep my Mini 3 in here. It's all registered. I put these reflective tape on the top and the bottom. Seems to help keep some of the attacks you get from some of the birds. Sometimes they'll try to attack your drone, so having something that's a bit reflective can help. And see, that's the problem with just sticking stuff in here, is it ends up in there. I didn't know that was in there. I still need a better, you know what, maybe I think I'll start putting my USB, or sorry, not the USB, my SD cards. Put the SD cards in here. Maybe they won't fall out. We'll see. Anyway, actually I'll do better if I stick this in one of these. And you definitely want to use high-speed cards. I've tried using some of the cheaper ones, and you get problems where it won't be able to take pictures. So this doesn't come with this. It comes with pluck foam in the top, I believe. But I want to keep all my extras. Let's see. Yeah, I like this stuff. Extra props. And my recommendation is to use DJI props. So anyway, I was looking for something that could go in here. See how this has like a pleat under here, so it can actually like spread out quite a bit. And today I put this in here, and it's Velcroed. So if I need to, I can pull this out. But I'm planning to just kind of leave it in there. Anyway, now I have something that can kind of hold everything. There's some more. Look at this. Just got these things everywhere. So here's the 249 gram that it comes with. It doesn't fly very long with that. And also I noticed in high speed, in higher winds, it doesn't work so great. This is a 100-watt 3 battery charger. Also has 2 LED lights, so if you needed that, you can charge with it as well. So you could stick some batteries in here and then stick USB out, USB A, and it takes USB-C in. If you guys have seen my other videos, you'll know I have a nice little battery package with a 100-watt lithium iron phosphate Renogy battery. This one I like too. This is a 2 battery charger, fast charger, and real simple. I just found you don't want to leave your batteries in here because it powers these, and then you end up with them not being powered up. One battery is in here. If I take it out, I can put it in this slot here. But yeah, with 5 batteries, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 batteries. This one, try not to use it. Every now and then I have to, but between having 2 fast chargers, I can keep everything rotating and charging if I have a few different flights to do in a row without ever running out of power. So that's it.